For sure.
I rode Pirates of the Caribbean yesterday just to be in the mood for it.
He said I was thinking.
Dude, yesterday during the fireworks, it was like walk on for everything. We got on 7Ds in like 30 minutes.
No way.
Yeah.
During the fireworks?
Yeah. Kristen and Rocket went to go watch the fireworks, and then we were, Hunter and Ellie and I rode 7 Dwarfs at night during the fireworks. It was badass. We were on it while the fireworks were going off, and then right when we got off was the finale.
Oh, yeah.
Then we popped over to Polynesian to get some fucking Polynesian nachos and Dole Whips.